going on with this plant that is too tall? Oh my gosh. All right, yeah. Leave it to me to remember things that I wanted to put in envelopes right at the moment I'm at the post office handing them over and paying for them. So I really wanted to add stickers and getting ready to do New Hampshire trip. And then I have to plan a little vacation later. So I got to get online and research my little vacation trip. Oh, I just have to put up these posters, print it out. I printed out my old Freedom post. I made this on a giant piece of cardboard, like a huge piece of cardboard. Then I took a picture of it and then I printed it out. So I made small versions of the big one. Same with this one. Well, let's see. This one was always this size. Print didn't come out very good. This one, it's just a mix of all of them. My what to do if ice is around poster thing. But just a few things in black and white too. So I've got my eye out for different places where I can put those. Although I don't know if I even brought my roll of tape out here. Need tape for that. And listening to my podcast.
That's how he says, that's how I do it.
There we go. There you go. What is it, 3 a.m.? Kidding. Oh, you get my brush. Oh. Oh my gosh, we just woke up to this. Yeah, just woke up to snowfall. Oh, I found my ugly spray bottle. Oh, that one's getting too tall. How are you doing, weirdo? These are out of flower and back in veg, so I'm not gonna see attempts at being male or female, probably. Just have to wait until I have a free tent where I can put possible male plants, or just determine that it's a male and forget about it. I don't know. What do y'all think? Is that like maybe a female auto or something? Like if it's an auto, I guess it'll just flower anyway, right? But what's going on with this plant that is too tall? Oh my gosh. All right, yeah. It just got a little too tall is all. What's happening over here? This one's getting tall, but at least it's on the floor. See, that one's about 1.5 feet, about 18 inches off the floor, that one. And this one starts down here. A little more space for you. This is really cool. I'm hoping to get actual tomatoes. Oh my God, there's so much going on in here I didn't even see. This plant back here. Now you look good. Now you look promising. It just got so much better when I put it in this tent. The intake comes through here from the room. And the outtake from this goes into the room. So you have filtered air coming out into the room, and then you have this capturing that filtered air, filtering it again, and sending it in. And then I have a little vent down there and here. This has a big fan. This thing, I covered this up with a flap of tape. Fans on. Still have yet to fix this. I have left the loose charcoal in there just rolling around, and 79. I think it's warmer in the other 10. I'm gonna put this down here because it was starting to hit the side there. This one's just waiting until I have to transplant. Something popped here next to my clone. I got a baby. Very unexpected. Like, beyond unexpected. I don't know how that happened at all. But the clone looks good, huh? And this one too looks pretty good. Very green. Look at this green. Green pepper. And then that's gonna need a transplant. Again, with the leg. Again, very, very tall, heavy, heavy top. I may have to put a little stand there for it to lean on. If I could find something for it to lean on. I'll find something. Flowering tent upstairs. We have our little white is coming out on the tops. Not a total puffball, but it's getting started. So I guess we'll have a second to go up there before I have to go shovel snow. We're getting a snowstorm right now. Yeah, it's another snowstorm. I'm not sure how much snow we're supposed to get, but definitely parking bans are happening. Okay, I just have to water. I was thinking I already did because I was doing other stuff with water, but all I have is this. Can't let that just drag on the ceiling, I don't think. So maybe it's one of my clippers. Chop the top off that tomato plant. All the zip tie ends are sticking out. I got zip ties, I got tomato branches. That's better. So I cut that top off. There we go. Just bring these back up. Oof. Oh, there is a little more in that one. I'll come back down. Oh no, I don't know if the snow's planning on letting up. Ooh, I never cut the top of that tree, I see. Yeah, there's a little warm house out there. I have a heated house set up out here for Kitty. Or next door neighbor, Kitty. I'm not gonna let you out in the snowstorm though. Did you guys finish all your food? All right, let's go look at the flowering plants. I also have to go grocery shopping. That's pretty pathetic. I'm hungry. Oh, I got condiments. Sure. Sure, plenty of condiments even lining the fridge back here. Something to drink, some condiments. Guests get, would you like a scoop of applesauce and feed my cat with me while we enjoy a bubble tea together? Cover it with my apricots. I am so lazy. Oh my God. I just have to get another bag and I can't even. Just have to reach over here. That's all I had to do. Real difficult. Snow. Okay, it's really coming down. I looked up the weather. I swear to God, I think the National Weather Service is out of commission or something. I looked up the weather so many times and I still did not get an accurate read on this. Oh, is that the mailman? What's he got? Let's spy on the mailman. There. That's where I'm parked. Oof. thing was supposed to fit around the heater. So it was supposed to actually be set back and fit around that. So I'm losing this much floor space still because it didn't fit, and I'm not sending it back. I put it all together before I measured it. So I put it all together, brought it up here, and realized it didn't fit. There's that. I guess I could put stuff on the floor in there too. The light isn't high enough over the plant. It's not reaching my aloe. I don't like that, but I'll fix it.